Hello, everyone. Um, a couple people asked me about how I'm organizing my stickers, so I'm going to show you the easiest way I found to do so. I'm going to open GoodNotes. This is one of the sticker books from the Cozy set. We're going to start by labeling the sticker book. I'm going to leave the DPC. I'm doing my spot stickers right now. So that's what I'm going to label it. So my first one I have is, you can see the second tab, Adult Felt. One thing I found to make me more productive here is to not try to make like the fancy fonts and stuff. I'm going with functioning. So I'm going to put Adult Sales. And then I have been including the year in which these stickers out because I have some from 2018, some from 2019, and we're almost ready for 2020. So now I'm going to use my lasso, resize this, get it down to a good size. Okay, and then I'm going to press and hold and open this link. This is that first page. Now I'm going to open the adult sales one. For some reason, some of my pages aren't loading, so I will have to go back and re-download this kit, but I will show you what I do normally. So I look, there's 3 pages. So I go back to my sticker book. I make sure I'm on the tab that I want that one in. So first section, and then I'm going to go to the 4 squares up here, and the page that's highlighted, I'm going to duplicate that page as many times as I need. So for this one, I have 3 pages. So there's 1, 2, 3. So that makes it where when I go to the second section, it'll actually be page 6 now. So now that I have that open, we'll go to the first page here, circle the whole thing, don't have to be fancy, and paste. Now swipe to the next page, go here, swipe, do the same thing. Now I did do 3 because I am supposed to have a third page. Again, I'm going to have to go download that one again because my page is showing up blank. If you ever get one where there's like 1 or 2 stickers or you feel like you're missing pages, the simplest thing is to re-download it. Delete it out of your GoodNotes and re-download it. And 9 out of 10 times, that's fixed it. Sometimes I have to do that a couple times. It is just a problem with downloading it. I don't know why. So the next one I have is the spot clean. So I'll go back to sticker book, go to index. Here I will use my lasso, circle the text there, paste, and this is going to be my second section. So if I hit the text deal and tap this, it makes it where I can edit it easily. And this is going to be spot clean. Okay, so now I'm going to go to that page, go to my spot clean. I've got 4 pages. Go here, open the 4 squares, and then I will duplicate that page. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, make sure I'm on that page. Go here, that's my lasso, and again, do the whole page. For the most part, they copy right over. Every once in a while, I have to make them as a whole images smaller. Um, but for the most part, hers go all the way over and fit. Some of her old sets, it seems like the formatting is off a bit, but I haven't had many problems. So then just put it on my page and keep going. And I will sit here, I've been sitting here the past couple evenings working on this because I realized I have so much stuff. Jennifer makes amazing stickers. She gives us a lot of freebies. So it became my just putting it in a folder method has gotten very cluttered. So now I'm trying to get a little more organized before I get even more stickers and it is just too overwhelming. So I've got all of those two spot stickers. Now what I'm doing for the books themselves is I have the spot one. Here's my Christmas one, which has all of her Christmas from last year. This year it's where I'm putting my freebies. I put the spot gets married, the spot challenges. If they coordinate with a holiday or a theme, that's where I'm putting those. But the other ones that don't go with a particular season or set are going to go in the spot one. I have one for $2 Tuesday. So here's where I've got there so far. I have one for my holiday stickers, and that's where I'm putting like the Halloween, 4th of July, Easter, those kind of things. I did choose to put the birthday one in here too, because to me that's a holiday. And then I have where I started with the fall stickers. Um, and I'm just doing each one kind of as she releases them in sets. Now for the Christmas one, where there was like the Christmas Jolly Part 1, Jolly Part 2, I just combined them into Christmas Jolly and did all of those together in one section here. So that's how I'm organizing it. I love how it looks. My goal is to have this folder where it's just the sticker books and then all of these loose ones that I have collected and downloaded, and I will have them all in sticker books. So I'm still not 100% sure how many I'm going to have, and how I'm going to do some of the non-seasonal ones. Like, I may have a miscellaneous one for things like the mandalas or the fine liners. Um, like the college days, if we open that one and look at it, it isn't really season specific. So I'm thinking I'll probably do a sticker book with just the sticker kits that don't relate to fall, spring, summer, winter. I want to do one for each of those. And then, like I said, the $2 Tuesday, some of those don't fit into one of those categories. The spot stickers. Um, I'm just trying to get them more organized. I absolutely love Jennifer's stickers. Um, she gives us so many and so many wonderful options. I'm just hoping this helps me organize them better because I look at other people's spread and I'm like, oh, I love such and such sticker. Where's it from? So I'm hoping this will help me utilize more of the stickers because they're more organized for me. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you and have a wonderful holiday season.